Hi everybody, today we're looking at Ohm's law. We're going to do a quick example of voltage drop across a resistor. Our problem says an 18 kilo ohm resistor has a current of 1.1 milliamps going through it. We want to find the voltage drop across the resistor. To get us started, we need that Ohm's law is V equals I times R. We'll start by converting our base units. For R, we have 18 kilo ohms, which is 18 times 1,000 ohms. We can write this in two ways. We can just write 18,000 ohms, or we can write the 1,000 as 10 to the power 3. Notice 3 zeros is the exponent of 3. Then we have I equals 1.1 milliamps. Milli is a prefix for 1 over 1,000. We can write that as 0.001. 0.001 is the same as writing 10 to the negative 3. It's up to you which way you want to write it, but I want to show you both in this example. Now we're ready to find V. We'll multiply our 18,000 times 0.0011, which gives us 19.8 volts. We could have also written that as 18 times 10 cubed ohms times 1.1 times 10 to the negative 3 amps, which would still give us our 19.8 volts. Let's take a quick look at the units. Kilo is a prefix for 1,000. We often write 1,000 as 10 to the power 3. Again, the 3 zeros is the 3 for the exponent. Milli is a prefix for 1 over 1,000, which we write as 10 to the negative 3. Again, the 3 zeros is the 3 in the exponent, but because we had a fraction, we write it as a negative. If we multiply 10 cubed times 1 over 10 cubed, we have 10 cubed over 10 cubed, which is 1. If I want to multiply 10 cubed times 10 to the negative 3, I need to add the exponents. 10 to the 3 plus negative 3 is 10 to the 0. Anything raised to the 0, except 0 to the 0, is equal to 1. As a final thought, I want you to remember that kiloohms and milliamps are common pairings that produce volts. If you pay attention to the units, you can save time with the conversions.